In 1991, listen to that year, a Harvard professor discovered that as a treatment for patients. Look at that. So, treatment. So, it's not only a diet or a way of eating food, it becomes right now a healing food, foods that heal. So, not only you are enjoying that delicious baba ganoush or that delicious hummus or that delicious grape leaves or that delicious olive oil when you do olive oil tasting with za'atar, now you are thinking, oh my God, this is not only satisfying and filling, it's good for me, it's great for me, it does some healing. So you read about it and you go and said, olive oil, my God, which is the star, by the way. The star of the Mediterranean diet is the olive oil. So what's in it? First of all, it's one of the few oils that it is mono unsaturated. Look at that, mono unsaturated.